win or lose, the Giants, there was a fan out in the bay that was going to have fun on this, on her electric surfboard. The Giants, though.
Say cheese, everybody. Oh wait, it's video.
Yeah, you're 100 years too late. The cannon don't thunder, there's nothing over 40 victim of fate.
Oh yeah, no, I can rip that thing. Going slow, I can rip it, but if it's going too quick, it's a little bit too much.
Sounds way better. So we're all giants?
All?
Yes.
We're all giants.
You wear it over your wetsuit.
Yeah, over the weddy.
Where's all my other stuff blue?
What's the tag?
Still ready?
Yeah, you're ready.
Let's play ball.
Huh?
That you love the scooter. You love the power snare.
I'm pretty good at it. He's tootin' scooting. Boot scooting.
They're so big. So
Yeah.
what's he gonna do?
Hang out.
Just turn?
Yeah. Wind is strong right now.
Yeah.
I just keep like drifting over there. I'm like, okay, bye guys. Okay, this is like a little more challenging than
That's gonna be hard to grab it.
Damn. Packed. I knew it'd be packed.
So nice out Oh, she got the ball. Woo. Leanne has it.
I still can't believe we paddled to Alcatraz. We need to foil to Alcatraz.
Yeah, we do.
Jumped out. Like, it's all I can do. Just filming each other.
He needs to turn around and film.
Madeline, can you just be our director of photography? Got it! You! It was in the Outback on Friday.
After I came home from hiking.
I haven't seen it since.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm sure I loved it.
a wipeout?
Almost.
Yeah, get some okay.
Where is Kay? Oh, there
She's
she
in
is.
front. Yeah, bridge in the background. Oh yeah, that's a good shot. K and MR right here with the cruise boat. Yee-hoo! I'm gonna punch it!
Is Kay stuck?
What?
Is Kay stuck?
Yeah, she's going. That's a fucking shot and a half right there. Oh! Did we get that on film?
We did.
Nice! Epic beast!
Oh man. Yeah, that scooter is hard to ride. Kay fell, but she fell in the waves.
It's not really a good weight.
Because they all tried to kind of bounce on the waves and they all were like, oops.
It's really, this boat doesn't produce a good weight. You don't even know what BTS stands for?
It doesn't work. That's what makes it to the TikToks.
Well, look at us
see all
go
the-
sailing.
BTS we have in the vans going back and forth to surf.
I still haven't figured out how to post that properly.
Because none of it is.
Unhinged.
It's bad.
Unhinged. So what were you saying?
We just got dollar oysters at the Backwater. Some cocktails.
Yeah, you did. I chugged one of those cut waters that the guy.
They hit hard.
They 12.5%.
Yeah, they hit hard. I saw that. I looked at it, I'm like, oh, Levi's got a cut water.
Yep. Yeah, I got a cut water.
Or just not dirty. Pata sucia.
Alright guys, once you're done getting changed, everyone just carries foil over there, and then we'll break them down.
I think the batteries can go back to the boat. But other than
What a deep breath!
oh, nice. Again?
How nice.
It has to be 68. Like, it's so nice.
Run it again?
Yeah.
Let out more line.
Don't go too fast.
How is that? 45.
Don't go too fast.